Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change font on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here you just have to open the settings applications first, and now in the settings page, go to the display options. And after, scroll it down again until we'll find here the font style. Tap on it. And as you can see here, I use the default one here guys. To change this font, you just have to scroll it down. Then we'll see this is any font that provided by device, as you can see, and we can use it. For example, here I use the default one. To change it, you just have to choose, and I'm gonna choose the slab one. I'm gonna tap on it. And after, we have to go back because it will save automatically, I guess, for the font. Here, I'm gonna change it again for the grotesque. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.